Hi guys, how's it going? I'm currently in India. Well, because of the bright lights we can't see behind me, but people are gathering up for the buses. I'll leave in about 10 minutes for the second round. For those that don't know, I'm captain of the Icelandic women's team. And yeah, I'm gonna post some content, maybe some vlogs and stuff, and some interesting games while we're here. Hotel is quite nice. It's called Intercontinental, and just going to give you a quick tour and have a look at the goodie bag, because every Olympiad we get gifts. So here's my room. You can find my key. Hope I didn't forget it. Well, maybe I did. That'll be embarrassing. No, I didn't. Put it in the other pocket. Okay, let's do this. Shaky camera, we'll get over it. Okay, so here we are. Had this nice area to analyze. Was just analyzing with my board 2 earlier today. So yeah, the team competition. So we have 4 boards. Icelandic flag, which we used earlier. There's a bunch of stuff. Accreditation. Everybody needs a badge like this. And once you enter the playing hall, your team needs to have these player cards, the ones that are playing. And once they finish, they have to leave. So 4 player cards, and I have to have this green stuff as well. So you can't enter without it. I had this shirt yesterday. We have actually nice, team stuff. Has my name on it somewhere, if I can figure it out. Here we go. Here we go, Ingvar. There's a goodie bag, we'll check it out. The room is very nice. We have the bed here. Here's some more Icelandic team apparel. And I'm gonna go with the jacket again, which has the Icelandic Chess Federation here somewhere. And I have more. Another shirt, and then a polo shirt as well. I went with a blue polo shirt today. So here we go. Here we go. Plus a jacket. But let's check out the goodie bag. So every Olympiad, every team member, captain, we get gifts. And I'm curious to see what they have this time. Mamma Lapuram. Let's see what we have. I think I did this also in Georgia on my channel. This looks like a t-shirt. It's pretty standard. Looks nice. Triple XL. Hey, I'm big, but come on. Okay, I might have to do. Cap. What's this? Probably some history. Treasures of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is the region that we, I was gonna say, they're definitely gonna have a picture of Stalin. So this guy is called MK Stalin, and he's leader of the region. The Honorable Stalin. Let's see what we got here. Some stuff about Chennai. Guide to the Olympiad. Already had this actually. No, I haven't. That's a different one. Okay, it's pretty nice. And this looks like a chessboard. Nice. Can't have too many chess sets. Guess these are these are the pieces here. What's this then? I'm curious. Disinfectant. More touristy stuff. And we have a mask. Because why not? What's this then? What's this then? Ah, pin. I like pins. I collect pins. I have pins from most of the Olympiads. This you can put in a jacket. Although I did forget to take pins to trade. So these are the pieces. Let's actually have a look at how they look. They look like pretty decent pieces. It's not super heavy, but this is okay. Maybe as a travel set, it's not too big. But this is the big one. I don't know what this is. So let's check it out. Oh, some kind of statue. Chennai Olympiad. Some kind of monument. Souvenir. 44th Chennai Olympiad. Yeah, it's nice. Quite nice. And then I must show you on like the first day when I got here. We went somewhere outside, and then when I got back, we had a cake. I haven't eaten it yet, but maybe it's not good. Yeah, we'll try it out tonight. It's an actual chess cake. I like it. So yeah, it's a quick room tour. Hope you liked it, and I'll try to post some content. Don't know how much I can do. I can maybe film something in the village after the rounds, but inside the hall we can't take the phone, so that's unlikely. But yeah, post some interesting games and stuff. So hopefully see you around. Bye bye.